How good was that? You can do that and much more in 3 clicks with Viddyoze. One of the biggest digital marketing success stories of the last 5 years, particularly when it comes to video. And the reason why they've been so successful is simple. They do one job and they do it really well. And that's make your videos look like they've just come out of a studio. Their premise for success is this: if your videos are going to stand out, you need to do a bit more with them. I mean, there's more video going on YouTube every minute than I think anyone can really get their head around. It's something stupid like 600 hours uploaded every minute. So, if you want your videos to be the ones that make people go, wow, you need to make them more eye-catching. And one way of doing this is adding video animation. So lower thirds, logo stings, transitions, outros. You could hire someone to do this, or you can use Viddyoze. And with Viddyoze, you can make amazing animations just like this. I love these things, I really do. But cool as they are, they're not actually the best bit. Because Viddyoze doesn't just do digital animations like this. There's also live action templates, and these are just stunning. I don't even know how this is possible. I mean, just look at it. All you need to do is pick the template and give it your logo, and Viddyoze will slide it seamlessly into this live action film. It really is stunning. But before I show you how easy this is, I want you to know that some of the animations you're seeing here may be different from the animations you'll have access to in Viddyoze. That's because our account has access to the Viddyoze Template Club, which is available as an upsell. But I want to be very clear, you do still get over 200 templates on the front end, including live action templates, so you can definitely create some incredible videos like the ones you're seeing here. So, let me show you how it's done. Let's take the example of the girl with the hat. So first we select the template, and then you can upload your logo. I'm just using a generic logo, but you can use your own. And then we'll choose the colour. And we can decide if we want to use audio or not. I'm going to click yes. And then we'll see a live preview of that almost instantly. And I mean, I'm pretty happy with that considering it's only taken me about 3 clicks. So I'm just going to hit render. And then as you can see, here is the result. And that's all there is to it. You don't need to know how to animate, you don't need to know about colour balance or histograms or, whatever other fancy terms After Effects or Photoshop are full of. You need to know how to upload an image and choose a colour you like, and that's it. And this is a really basic example. Some of the other stuff Viddyoze can do with floating social actions and transparent alpha layers that let you animate over live footage, which is truly stunning. But these are best seen on a sales page where you can get a real sense of how they work. Now, I also wanted to show you the new social media templates, but they hadn't been added to my platform in time for me to make this video. So what I'll do is direct you to the sales page again, where I'm sure they'll be showing them off. And I mean, they should be, because they are really cool. Basically, these are templates that come in square and vertical formats, which have been specially designed for mobile platforms, because this is where the vast majority of people consume their social media today. And we know that square and vertical templates take up significantly more screen real estate on a mobile device. I mean, it often takes up the entire screen if you're watching Facebook or Instagram. And that is really the point. You have all of your viewers' attention locked into your amazing looking Viddyoze video. So I really think these new templates are going to be huge for anyone using social media. And that's where our bonus comes in handy. We made this because Viddyoze collection is huge, and we figured most people will want to start as fast as possible. So to help you do that, we've selected 20 of the best templates and given each one a quick summary so you can see at just a glance which templates will work best for your particular use case. Viddyoze is already the best in its class. It's been the best for the past 5 years, it's better today than it ever was, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be the best for the next 5 years to come. So now is a great time to get in at a huge discount. All you need to do is click on that button below, go through to the sales page, grab your license and give it a try for yourself. It really is an excellent platform. We really like it, and I think you will too.